everybody, and I hope this video finds you well. This is Liz Trincone from the Client Success Team coming to you with another work from home video. And in this video, I'd like to go over some of the benefits of using the mobile application on your phone or other device like an iPad or a tablet at this time. We do have a feature that is very helpful. It's a document scanner. It is edge-to-edge scanning, and I know many of us don't have access to the same kinds of equipment, copy machine scanners that we might have in the office when we're at home. So I'd like to kind of demonstrate how this will work for you. I am on an iPhone right now, and I am in the Zola Suite application. So this is just the main page of the app, the dashboard. So I'm going to go over here to my side menu, and I am going to go down to Documents and open up one of my matters that I know has documents in it. And now if I press the plus sign, I can access these different options here, one of which is to scan a document. So I'm going to choose Scan Document, press the plus sign, and my camera is going to enable me to do the scanning. So I'm going to choose Take Photo. Of course, if you already have images saved of the document you're looking for, you can always choose it from your photo library. So I am going to choose Take Photo so that I have access to my camera. And I do have a piece of paper on my desk here. I'm going to pull the phone back a little bit so that the scanner has an ability to capture all of the edges. And I can move it around a little bit if I need to tweak it at all. And when I'm ready, I just press the blue capture button and I have my document. So now I can use this photo, or I can very easily retake it if I'm not happy with the way that it came out the first time. And I can go in and edit it and rotate it 90 degrees in either direction. I can also just save it to the matter. And I'll call this New Scan. I also want to mention to everybody that we also have the business card scanner that will allow you to take any business cards of people that maybe should be in your firm contacts and scan that through the Zola Suite mobile app as well and create contacts that way. And I am also able to version with the app. So I just created a new version of a document that already existed. I know we are sort of all improvising right now to a certain extent because we are at home and things are a little bit different, but if you don't have access to the same equipment and you do need to scan something, this is going to make your life a lot easier. And I hope that this tip is helpful to anybody that may need this functionality. And I hope to come back and bring you as many more helpful tips at this time as I possibly can. Enjoy your day, stay well, and be healthy, everyone.